Hello friends, today we'll learn HTML order list. That's mean list, HTML list. So how to just you should use UL and LI. Here is the order list. Apple. Here is the order list. If you want to use unordered list, this is the unordered list. Yeah, this means it's unordered list. So if you want to write now the order list, then you should just use here OL order. This one is a pointable and this is a numberable. Okay, if you want to use order list, order, that means here will be DL and here will be DT. Okay, order list. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.